Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
It's been over a year since our first trip to Japan, and yes, I am only editing this vlog now because some memories are simply too special not to share. This wasn't just a vacation, it was our first international trip as a family. 3 generations, 2 kids, plenty of luggage, and memories we will never forget. Meet the family behind the vlog. I'm RJ, I'm the mom, the videographer, and the editor, which also means you will hardly see me in this vlog because I'm usually the one behind the camera making sure everyone else looks good. This is Liana, our little explorer, always happy, always curious, and always running towards something she probably shouldn't be touching. This is my husband Lester, our family's all around MVP. Luggage? Check. Stroller? Check. Baby? Check. Budget? Also check. This is Darren, the baby. His hobbies include breastfeeding, playing, sleeping, and occasionally reminding the entire airport that he is a baby. This is Tata, the strong grandpa, assistant luggage carrier, assistant baby carrier. This is Nana, the groovy grandma. She's always known for making memories, so when Japan was finally on the calendar, she was the first one ready. And finally, this is my sister. My kids call her Alma. She avoids the camera like a pro, but the kids never let her out of the frame. And together, we're one big family on our very first international adventure. Yana! After a long flight with a toddler, the last thing we wanted was to figure out trains while carrying multiple suitcases. That is why we chose the airport Limousine Bus. One thing we really appreciated was that we didn't have to lift or store our own luggage. The staff took care of everything, they tagged our bags, loaded them into the bus for us, and all we had to do was find our seats and relax. The ride itself was a great way to ease into our Japan trip. Instead of rushing through train stations, we got to sit back, enjoy the scenery, and watch the city slowly come to life as we made our way toward Tokyo Bay. And one of the highlights, catching our very first glimpse of the Disney Resort area, including the beautiful Disneyland Hotel, which made the excitement really start to sink in. About an hour later, we arrived at the stop for Oriental Hotel Tokyo Bay. As soon as the bus pulled in, the staff unloaded all of our luggage for us, making the entire trip from the airport to the hotel incredibly smooth and stress-free. For our family, especially traveling with a little one, it was the perfect way to start our Japan adventure. Welcome to our home in Tokyo for the next 9 days, Oriental Hotel Tokyo Bay. It gave us the best balance of comfort, convenience, and value for our family. Back at the hotel, the lobby has an interactive digital play area that our daughter absolutely loved. It was a fun way to keep her entertained when we checked in or anytime we passed through. The room rates were significantly more affordable than most Disney hotels, while still offering everything we needed. You can check the estimated prices on your screen below. Just keep in mind that rates may vary depending on the season and when you book. Our room was clean and modern. One feature we really appreciated was the bathroom layout. The toilet is separate from the shower and bathtub area, so multiple people can get ready at the same time. It's a small detail, but it made our mornings so much easier, especially when traveling as a family. It's also directly connected to Shin Arayasu Station, making it incredibly easy to travel into central Tokyo whenever we wanted to explore beyond Disney. This hotel also has a free shuttle service to and from the Disney resorts. so we still had an easy and convenient way to get to the parks without paying Disney hotel prices. Just outside the hotel, you can find several shopping malls with plenty of restaurants, cafes, and stores. There is even a Uniqlo if you need to pick up extra clothes or forgot to pack something. We also loved having Starbucks nearby for our morning coffee, and there are play areas where little ones can burn off some energy before or after a busy day. Another favorite was the Welcome Lounge, where they offer complimentary drinks and snacks. It was for a nice little break before heading out or after a long day of exploring. We also love the complimentary amenity station, where guests can pick up toiletries, skincare products, bath essentials, and even children's amenities, including adorable kids' pajamas. And finally, your biggest lifesaver, Lawson, conveniently located right inside the hotel. Whether we needed breakfast, drinks, late night snacks, or a quick meal after a full day at Disney, it was always just a few steps away. One of our favorite discoveries was the peaceful little spot called Wakashio Park. It's just a short walk from Oriental Hotel Tokyo Bay near Shin Arayasu Station, making it a perfect place to enjoy spring without the usual crowds. The park is lined with beautiful Somei Yoshino cherry trees, Japan's most iconic Sakura variety. When we went there, the blossoms were already at the end of their peak. The petals had started drifting gently from the trees, creating that magical Sakura rain you always see in photos. Even though we were a little late, it was still absolutely breathtaking, and honestly, having this quiet little corner almost all to ourselves made it feel even more special. Today's adventure is one we've been looking forward to for months. We're heading to Warner Brothers Studio Tour Tokyo, the making of Harry Potter. From Oriental Hotel Tokyo Bay, it's about a 1 hour train ride. Whether you're a lifelong Potterhead or simply curious about how the films were made, this place is packed with incredible sets, authentic props, and behind the scenes movie magic. Book your tickets as early as you can because popular dates often sell out weeks in advance. If possible, visit on a weekday for a more relaxed experience. Give yourself at least 45 hours because Harry Potter fans can easily spend even longer here. Wear comfortable shoes, you will be walking a lot. And don't forget to save room for butterbeer. One of the coolest things about the studio tour is how interactive it is. Throughout the tour, you'll find magical experiences where you can scan your personal QR code and see yourself appearing in a Hogwarts portrait, flying on a broomstick, and even joining a Quidditch match. That's a Dementor.
Apo, Liana. Wait lang, ate, wait lang.
What's that, baby? So was it worth it? Absolutely. Would we come back? Without a doubt. Now on to our next adventure. Let's head down for breakfast buffet. There was an impressive variety of both Japanese and Western dishes, so everyone in the family found something they loved. There were plenty of delicious options to start the day. It was the perfect way to fuel up before spending hours walking around Tokyo or exploring the Disney parks. Looking back, choosing Oriental Hotel Tokyo Bay was one of the best decisions we made for this trip. It gave us the convenience of staying close to Disney, easy access to central Tokyo, great family friendly amenities, and excellent value, all without the premium price tag of the Disney Hotel. And that's it for part 1 of our Japan Spring 2025 adventure. We are just getting started, so don't miss the rest of the series as we explore more of Japan together. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the next episode and join us for the rest of our journey. See you in the next one!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.